Hi there, my name is Tom from ConnectPlus.io. I am also behind Firepush and Toby apps you might know. Today I would like to invite you to be part of something great and we'll talk about advertising your apps to get more installs. Advertising online can be very expensive. The average install price using any popular banner networks is between $8 to $12 and more. So to bring 100 installs might cost you a fortune. Keep in mind that money spent doesn't guarantee sales. Having online churn rate and conversion rate, it actually is very expensive way to advertise your app. It is possible to advertise for free and I will show you how. I'd like to introduce you to ConnectPlus.io, free banner exchange platform between Shopify app developers. Here you will be able to advertise your app at no cost. Using 1:1 ratio for every banner you display for us, you earn one advertising slot within ad network. To sign up and start receiving visitors, you won't need a credit card. Membership in our network is completely free and always will be. We are currently offering generous sign-up bonus for new accounts. This gives you an extra impressions to help everything started. Simply install ad network code inside your app. You also can exclude competitor apps which you don't want to be displayed in your app, create a campaign, upload banner, and you're ready to go. Don't forget to invite your other fellow developers. Bigger community means more traffic to our apps.